Hey guys, so today I'm going to show you an amazing, mind-blowing functionality. This is something we have been doing for years manually because sending audio messages is having an incredible conversion and it has always worked amazingly great for us. And only now I can see that AI has moving up and made a great leap like during the past 2 years when you can trust it. Lemlist has released a new functionality which allows you to record your voice and then to clone it and use it for various customized messages. So I'm now on lemlist. This is the new feature which is currently in beta, but I think you can already start using it. And I'm on my campaign, which is multi-channel, email, LinkedIn, manual tasks, calls, and everything. Now you're able to add a voice message. So the beauty is that first you can use the pre-recorded voices, which lemlist has created for you with various accents, languages, and everything. Or you can clone your voice. And then after you clone your voice, you can basically write any message and then it would use it to send it over to the leads. Check it out. So you start cloning, you start recording, then you select any of the prompts pre-created by lemlist in here, and let's do it, and you will see the way it works. Hi, this is Irina from Growth Tech. Just dropping a quick message. We have marketing teams generate more qualified leads without increasing their existing budget. Let me know if you'd like to grab 5 minutes to chat. I'd love to connect. Easy as it is. And now we clone the voice. So we have cloned the voice, and what we do now, we preview the way this message, which you can amend, gonna sound for our lead.
Hope you're doing well, John. I came across your profile and really liked what you're working on. I'd love to connect and see if there's a way to collaborate.
What? Seriously? This is just amazingly mind-blowing. I'm a little bit afraid of AI because I would not be able to distinguish it from my own voice. I think that's amazing. You can definitely scale it. You can update it. You can play with it. But I think it's just amazing, and this is how AI is going to change the rule of outreach. Cheers and good luck.